Hi guys, this is how to check your WhatsApp notification history either on iPhone or Android device. If you need to receive notifications about incoming messages, incoming and missed calls, first of all go to Settings, three dots at the top right on Android or gear icon at the bottom right on iPhone. So tap and go to Settings, scroll down to Notifications, make sure everything is on: conversation tones, reminders, reaction notifications, and so on. Or disable something if you don't need. Set your notification tones, vibration styles, and next make sure that notifications are allowed on the system level. To do this, open Settings, scroll down to Apps, and here tap on the search icon, search for WhatsApp, open WhatsApp settings, tap on notifications. Notifications are allowed, pop up, lock screen notifications. You can hide content on lock screen if you wish so. Make sure that notifications are not silent. And after this, if everything is on, you will be able to read notifications in notification bar. You can remove this notification, go to app, go back to the chat screen and see in-app notification next to the chat name. Now tap on the chat. Also you will see notifications about missed voice calls, about incoming voice calls, and so on. If you need to see older WhatsApp notifications, you can go to notification history in settings. So once again, make your way to settings and search for notifications history. So let's go to notification history, and here is your notifications from all applications. You can scroll down to see all applications that send you notifications and open WhatsApp and see older notifications. Unfortunately, WhatsApp can't text you or send emails to notify about new messages and calls. And so far you know everything about WhatsApp notifications, and I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.